So today I'm a happy boy because I'm back on app and tech reviews. It's been a while. So today what we are going to do is I'm going to review this DJI Mini SC drone. Yes, it's one of the cool toys I got recently, and I feel like if you're a serious content creator, maybe a travel blogger, you want to take some area shots and things, you need this drone, DJI Mini SC. It's one of the budget-friendly drones you can get on the market. So without wasting my time, welcome to App and Tech Reviews. I'm back. Okay, so welcome back. We are about to review this DJI Mini SC drone. As I said, if you're a serious content creator and mostly, let's say, travel bloggers, or maybe you're into real estate. Me like this, I like to sell people's house and then get some money on it. So if you're into real estate, I do a lot of real estate videos and things for people. If you bring your house, I do area shot and things and your house, everything. I get money from it, you understand? So this drone helps me a lot in shooting those things. So as I'm saying, if you're a travel blogger, you're doing real estate, maybe you shoot natural places and things, you need this kind of drone, you understand? So today, we are about to review this drone. Okay, so first of all, let's see what's in the box. Let's open it. When you buy it, it comes like this. It comes in a very nice box. So first there was rubber on it, but I removed the rubber. So here's it, because I've already opened it. But I want you to see, I bought it I think 2 days ago, so this is it. There's nothing inside this box again. There's nothing inside the box. So it comes in this wonderful case. Wow. The case is nice. This is a very nice protective case. So whenever you're going out, you can hold it like this. You can see, yeah. The case is very nice. So let's see what's inside the box. It's hard to, so you can protect the things inside. Let's see what's inside the box. Nice. Okay. So I think this is a battery case. First of all, you get the battery case. This is the battery case. And what you need to know is this is the DJI Fly More combo. So whenever you buy the combo, if you buy the normal DJI SC Mini SC, you get only one battery, and you get the remote control, and then you get the drone itself. But you don't get this case and everything; it's just packed in the box. But when you buy the Fly More combo, you get all these things. You get a charger case, you get two extra batteries, plus the battery which is already in the drone. So first of all, this is what we get. We get this beautiful charger case. I think it's more like a power bank. You can charge. I don't know, but it's more like a power bank. So you get 2 extra batteries. So that's the first thing you get from the box. Let's put it here before we go to the thing. And then this is the accessories that comes with the box. I think you get a USB cable, which I think charges the remote control. You get this is a Type-C charger which charges, I think, the drone itself, and then the charging case as well, where you put your batteries inside. There are a couple of things in there, this thing too, in the box as well. I think you get extra propellers for the drone. You get this extra propeller too. So 3 extra propellers inside. You get an extra, I think there might be an extra, the joystick, the one which is here. When we get the UC, you get this USB. That's if you are using an Android phone. I don't use Android, I use iPhone. People use Android, I don't know what is wrong with people. If you ask me now, I'm going to use Android. Then I am okay, so let's look at this. How do you call it? This is a remote control, and this is very nice. You can see it's the remote control that comes with the drone. This is what comes with it first, and then we come to the drone itself. This is very portable. This is the Mini, because I think they have the M2 Pro, they have the Maverick Pro, and all the other ones. But if you're a beginner, and this is budget friendly, because I bought this for I think 4,200 Ghana cedis. Yes, so it's a budget friendly, and the quality you should shoot in 2.7K. That's the highest resolution you can shoot with this drone. So you know what? When we get there, I'll show you a couple of shots I shot with the drone, and you'll be amazed. The kind of quality I got, you'll be amazed. So without wasting my time, let's just check. These are the things in the box, and it comes with a lot of manual. Who reads manual? Who reads manual nowadays? Nobody. Charlie, these things, they are waste of time. Nobody will read them. That's what I'm doing the review. You see the things there, you go to YouTube, you see. So let's see how the drone looks like. It has a propeller. Oh, so this side looks like it's very light. It's very portable. You can carry it anywhere you go. You see the case is very, very small. So you put it in your bag. You can put it in your handbag. A travel blogger, wherever you go, you can use it. You can use it for your real estate. I'll show you a couple of real estate videos I took with this particular drone, and you'll be amazed. The quality, I told you, shoots 2.7K, almost 4K, and it's amazing. I won't lie to you. You can see the ass, the protecting car. Whenever you're going to fly, you take this thing out. And then, so let me put this one here. And then this is the remote control that comes with the, how do you call it? With the drone itself. So you fix your phone here. I don't have my phone here like I was showing you. You fix your phone because it has an extra cable here, which is connected to the with a remote control. Then you take the joysticks from this side. It has 2 joysticks because there's an extra joystick that comes in the box as well. So you fix the joystick here like this. There's an extra one that comes here. You fix this one to here, like this. You understand? So whenever you go out there, so this is amazing. This is amazing. This is beautiful. This is one of the most budget-friendly drones with the kind of quality. DJI is the best when it comes to drones on the market. Budget-friendly drones you can ever get on the market, and I got it for 4,200 Ghana cedis. If you do want to buy this drone, I'll put a link or the contact numbers under this video, or just leave a comment there you want to buy it. Okay, so this was the first time I flew the drone, and you can see this is amazing. Look at the quality of this video. Hey, this is amazing. I just love it. And look at the way he's taking the shots. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I forget. So, as I said, this is one of the best budget-friendly drones you can ever get on the market. And I can assure you, if you buy this drone, you will not regret it. This is amazing. Look at these shots. Where, Charlie? Where are you going to get? It's 4,200 compared to other drones. Drones are expensive. So if you are getting this kind of quality, 2.7K resolution with this kind of quality, I believe if you are a travel blogger, you are into real estate, or whichever way you use your drone, I believe this is one of the most budget-friendly drones you can ever get on the market. This is amazing, and I believe you should get it. Boy, look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Hey, this is amazing. I shot this. I shot this particular video. Hey, look at this quality, bro. Okay, I put a little color gradient on it, but I'm not showing you the actual footage because if you finish, you edit it. So definitely, but if I'm going to get this kind of quality, I saw this video at a brewery. The same day I got the drone, the same day I want to shoot this video because I was trying to make sure the quality I was going to get was very good. Look at this. Hey, this is amazing. This is one of the best drones you can get as a beginner. If you're a serious content creator and you want good quality in terms of area shots with the drone, this drone is the best drone you can ever get on the market. So finally, if you ever think of buying a drone, I believe this review has given you enough reasons to buy it. This is one of the best drones you can ever get. DJI, they are the best on the market when it comes to drones. And I believe I've shown you every single reason, and you saw the quality in terms of the picture quality, the views and everything. And I believe this drone will be best for anyone who does travel vlogs, who's into real estate or whatever you want to use a drone for. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you next time. No, but before I go, I am back. I need to pray for myself. God, make me consistent. Let me put more content out there. You understand? This is app and tech review. I'll be putting plenty app and tech reviews. You don't have a businessman, so I put lots of business-related content in terms of app and tech reviews. But pray for me that I'll be consistent. That is all I ask for. She can't talk about why. That is the only problem with me. She can't talk. But the thing is, I'm going to sit there and I have to shoot all these videos. You know, shooting videos too is difficult. It's not a simple thing. I'm going to sit there and I want to shoot all these videos. And then foolish things, she can't match me. Money is calling me for my brain. And I have to go. You understand? But I pray the Lord gives me strength. The Lord gives me consistency. And I'll be bringing in more videos. Thank you for being here. And pray for me. Bye-bye.